Partner, I don't give a flying fuck.
I hope you fucking die, you fucking little peace-betraying little bitch!
Sir?
You know how long it takes to be possessed by a demon, do you?
Sir?
Do you? Do you? Die!
Sir,
Die right now! You wanna drown in a river? You wanna jump down from a high building? You wanna get cut in half with a chainsaw? You wanna get shot by a revolver?
Are you okay? I was
Fuck you, friend! I hope I get the chance to blow your fucking head off with this fucking shotgun, or I can stab you with this
do
finger
that.
gas, or I could beat you up with this
Please
hammer.
don't.
Good luck surviving my possessed fighting.
I was joking!
Chill! Come here! Ow! Stop moving! Come here! Come here!
Yeah?
You wanna get on
There's a possessed carrier over there. Please get the demon out of him.
Get down here!
What's going on?
I'm being violated by a possessed terrier! Please do not touch me! Get out!
Alright, it's all your time.
Ow! Ow! Fuck! My eyes! It hurts!
You're welcome.
You bitch!
And that's how I almost got killed by a palm tree.
Hey, what the fuck told you you could become a demon?